Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick show and tell and install of this unit with a little brief review, entangled in there. So if you guys are interested in learning more about this unit that I'm rocking, go ahead and stay tuned. So before I get into the styling portion of this video, I wanted to run down the specifics about this hair. So this hair is from BGM Girl Hair. I'll link all their information down below in my description box, along with the direct link and all the details that you might want to know about this wig. This is their deep wave frontal unit. I have 26 inches in Lord. Feeling the burn. And this is 150% density. So yes, it's a lot of hair, but it's absolutely gorgeous. After the styling portion, I'm going to give you guys my opinion about this unit. So if you guys want to learn more, go ahead and stay tuned.
second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way?
This is my third day wearing this wig, and I have a few things that I want to share about it. Well, I slept in this unit basically 2 times so far, and it didn't tangle up really bad. And I'm not even gonna lie, like one of those nights I didn't tie it up and she still didn't tangle or look too bad. The first day I wore it, I didn't really put too much product in it, and I noticed that it did swell up a little bit more. So yesterday I had it on all day and I was just pretty much chilling, so I wore it and still no fuss or anything. Today I decided that I wanted it to be a little bit more tame, so I went ahead, as you guys seen in the tutorial, I added different products in it, and I absolutely love this hair so much more now because I feel like this is the type of curl pattern that does need some product. When I'm detangling it, I'm not hardly getting any shedding, so that's definitely good. And I really just have one con about this wig. It is 150% density like I mentioned previously, but in the crown area, it's a little thin for my preference and my liking. So if I had to give my critical feedback to this company, because it is a newer company, I would say add some more hair in the crown area, because as wigs get older they tend to shed, of course, and we don't want to lose the hair in the crown area and have tracks showing through, because I did have a slight issue with that. So that's my one con about this wig. 3 days in, I have good thoughts. And I think that this wig will last you a while. Just remember that con if you do decide to purchase this unit. And yeah, I'll go ahead and leave all their information down below like I mentioned once before. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts about this unit. Like 26 inches, like baby girl, and you getting all of your inches. So ooh, and the texture is so gorgeous. Yeah, deep wave 26 inches, BMG Girl. I'll leave all their information down below in my description box like I said before. Go ahead and like this video and comment down below and let me know what you think about this wig. Have you heard of this company? Have you tried this company? Sound off in the comments, because we definitely want to know. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.